Check 1, 2. All right, welcome everybody. Another night on the charts again. One of our favorite things to do. See if we can come back from a pretty brutal session. Price never came back. I shorted at that little area where it pulled back very gently and then just took off like a rocket ship. So it's a little bit brutal today. All right, so I have a few songs on a playlist, pretty much just background music that I created just to put a little bit of, fill up a little bit of the space. But I need to figure out how to get it in here because I've seen it before. Maybe I can add media. It's got to be it. That's the best one. Okay. Should be able to hear this. No, I guess not. Y'all probably hear it. All right. So ES, this is the 1 hour, right? 1 hour chart. We are in a range. So we don't do anything until we break out of at least this range right here or up here. So this is the no fly zone. So nothing going. Now, so this is ugly as fuck too. This is gold. All right, so this is gold. And I have to turn my mic up just a little bit. There it goes. All right. So this shit right here, this is gold. It's ugly, man. Right, so we merge these volume profiles because they were pretty much overlapping. We merge these two volume profiles. Right. We essentially get rid of all these lines. We don't need it. All right, this one's right in the middle too. So essentially, low. This was previous day low, right? We took out the previous day low. We're starting to make our way higher, but we got rejected really hard. Almost like it's a pullback with another continuation leg back to the downside to likely return to this range right here. Probably more specifically right here. This multiple mitigation zone. So that's what it looks like to me. If I had to pick a side, looks like there's more room to the downside. Looks like we failed to day, right? We had a failed auction at the highs, or just below the highs. I mean, a failed auction. So we have, I'm gonna get rid of this zone. I'm gonna put a swing low, swing high. All right, I would like to see this come back here for a short. That's what I think. That's what I'm looking for over here. Oh man, this alert's gonna be so loud, but we're gonna turn it on. All right, it's the most annoying sound in the world. Just a warning. So we hit that couple of ticks early here. Gonna get alerted, so I don't have to watch it. I'm gonna be looking for a short to continue downward. It's pretty strong rejection. Lower high on the higher time frame. Yeah. Ugly. Same time here, we have a higher high and a higher high. All right, so putting a high, putting a low, putting a higher high, putting a higher low, putting a higher high, putting a lower low. Could be a fake out too, right? Because we did sweep this high. Anything is possible, man. So I don't know. Looks like we're about to hit that level, so let's stay here. I mean, there was volume in that move, and there was aggression. The buyers got absorbed. Like sellers got exhausted right here. Very weak volume on the way down. Until we got here. Now very weak volume on the way up. Coming into this imbalance. Right where we already tapped into it. So this could be the short right here. 2 more minutes. 5-minute close. Let's look at the 30-minute. So swept a bunch of lows on the 30-minute. Tapped in. Oh yeah. Are we just gonna be ranging in this area forever? So yeah, we're kind of in a no trade zone, unfortunately. So yeah, we can't really, unless we want to play the extremes and play the range. Yeah, that shit's ugly, man. Oh my god. The 30-minute, I guess technically we just broke out of this range. I put in the low, so this range right here just broke out of it. So that's on the 30-minute. So that's not accurate. It's right here. Manipulation just swept the highs, rip back down, come back up, sweep the lows. What the fuck, man? Price action is gnarly. I had to get the pop-up chat just in case some random person stumbles on my random channel. I might need some coffee tonight. This unfinished business everywhere. Here, here. Well, we're in the range, so like there's no trade. Okay, there's just no trade. Same thing here. We're starting to break out of this range to test the highs. So this is on the 1 hour. Bring up ES over here. Just in case we get in a position, let's change it to MES. All right, so we have some order flow right here on the right. This 30-minute, 60-minute. So the 30-minute took out a bunch of 30-minute highs, and it also swept it's 1 hour highs over here. So we are now breaking out. That's what it looks like. Shorts are trapped. But we need to see a little bit more. So that's on the hour. The 30-minute, yeah, man, we took out a lot of levels here. It'd just be a liquidation and just rip back to the other side of the range. Zeros left up here, unfinished business down here. Volume is kind of low with a couple zeros. Likely passive buyers up here. So might be a short. You want to fuck around, right? You want to get involved. Not urgency up here. So change this to the 5-minute. So in the hour we swept the highs. Sellers, there's sellers up here, but Okay, so we got aggressive buyers. On the hour, definitely you can see all the buying for sure. It's starting to slow down though. Just created a zero up top. Looks like exhaustion. We're gonna take a trade back to the value area. Actually, I don't know what that is. What is that? It's that level. Okay, value area. So on the premise right here that there's not a lot of interest, so aggressive sellers having to sell at lower prices or pushing the price down because there's a little bit of absorption or exhaustion up here. So I think that's what I see. So we have to go with it. And the next level of interest is actually all the way down here. Actually, it's right here. Zeros. I didn't see that one right there. So it's this level right here. So we're targeting stop is going to be above. Pretty tight. What are we giving it? 36, 41. We got to give it at least 5 points. All right, so it's not looking that good, to be honest. What I thought I saw didn't happen. What's new? Okay. Looks like there are aggressive buyers up here. They're still interested. Some limit sellers. Alright, I'm out. I'm gonna play the breakout. Because shorts are trapped, so I think it's likely that we break out. Pretty sure I said across. Same thing here. Can't see it though. Oh, it's up here. Shit, we did break out. Alright. Alright. Price is all the way up here. So we broke out. follow this up. Looking at the 1 hour. $76.50. That's the target. Make this 90 days by minute. So that leads me to believe this is awesome. Like, yeah, back to the middle of this range right here. We're almost there. See it? That price. 68. Ooh, 50. That's a good target. It's fine because we can get back in. All right, we're just trying to keep our drawdown from getting too low. Now we should just do this. Because I could see us coming back here. I'm gonna move this. There. Snap, this shit's going. It ain't coming back. Okay, there's aggressive buying. Aggressive buying. All right, let's jump in. I don't think it's done. I take this up to 49. We go with this momentum. Lots of buying. All right, so we're trying to just stay away from going too deep into drawdown until we get a really nice trade location. I'm like $90 in profit, and I just don't want to go into the negative today. That's going to be very, very, very cautious. I just wish I would have held this because I called the number and I just didn't hold it. But it could keep going, man. It could go all the way up to at 50%. But I think we get a pullback first. I'd like to see a pullback down to here, and then I'd take a continuation up. That would be cool. And if I'm wrong, I think I know pretty quickly. Put my stop behind here. $100 of risk. Take profit goes up at 76.68. Looks like a nice trade. But it's not stopping. Okay, 4 more minutes till the hour ends. Let's see if we gonna get a little pullback here. Play a little pullback. Maybe a little bit of exhaustion up here. Not necessarily. There's still buyers up here. But it just slowed down a little bit right here on the 5 minute as well as the hourly. So price hit this level and just stopped. So we're just looking for a little, just a little scalp here. For like 4 points. Hell, I'll take 2 points. 2 points. Give me 2 points, baby. What's that? 60, 76, 47, 50? I do think we get here. I just think we pull back first. Probably a lot of, there are some aggressive sellers here, but no buyers. Sellers have to sell at a lower price. They don't want to get filled. It's just 2 points. The hour closes in 1 minute or less than. I think I should put that on loop or some shit. Alright, so we're either right or we're wrong. My thought is a little bit of consolidation here for a minute. Hence, had this impulse up. We should come back and test this area before continuing higher. It's kind of the idea. We're aggressive buyers up here, so there's just no necessarily love this spot. Okay, so we got a new hour. And we did not break the high. So we made it equal high. Pull back in continuation. We can come all the way down here to 43.50, 40, 42. Equal high on the 1 hour here. And there wasn't any interested no liquidity up here on the top. I should probably change this to MES so we can see it on both charts. That looks like a good target to me right here. Buyers down here. And definitely go farther. Again, just taking little chunks. What looks doable. Not trying to get greedy. We're 1-to-1 on the risk. Well, at least we have some structure now and the market is moving. Play this one right here. All right, so we got that. Let's see what happens here. Lots of buying right here. So this is where we start to look at getting long again. If we get a good reaction here. But I did look to take out low down here. Back down to the VWAP. And it's also the value area high, so the price is definitely moving up. Shorts are trapped still from higher time frame. Shorts are trapped from this morning. Yeah, this is the entry right here. But there's a lot to pick up to the downside, to be fair. So I wouldn't get too bullish just yet. Price is pretty much still right where I took profit. It's right here. Hide these panels. Make it clean. And there's definitely more room to the downside, but there is a lot of buyers that could step in right here. This is where buyers pretty much overwhelm the sellers. There's imbalances all the way up. So far more buying than selling. Until we get to the top here. All right, this is where aggressive sellers stepped in. There was no more buying interest up here. Aggressive buying. Not taking the high though. We want to see where this is going to bounce. I don't know if we just take it though. Just wait. CBD is positive. The equal high or lower high seems equal high lower low sounds like Loss of momentum. Going back to the VWAP. Value area high for a test. It's right here. We're saying back here for a retest. Ugly. Well, on this side, it's right here. Same thing. Does that get retested? 76.25. Yeah, could be. Alright, so aggressive sellers are dominating. Pushing price down. This could be a short. We get a rejection from there. There's more aggressive sellers there. It's on the hourly. Checking on gold. Yeah. Not touching it. we try to sweep these 1 hour lows? Or do we get a bounce? In the second attempt. Now there's a 3 and a 13 there. Before we saw 0, 8, and 40. So that's kind of weird. Right? Same price. See 0, 8, and 40 here. You see 33. You don't see it here. What happened? Where'd they go? Where'd my zeros go? They were there. They're not anymore. So how am I gonna trust this shit? Like, come on. What happened? Where are the fucking zeros? There were zeros there, and now they're not. Price didn't come all the way back up there. Huh. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Let's reload it. See if it changes. Nope. Alright, well, shit. Whatever. We do get filled. I'm gonna take this down to the VWAP. Actually, no, we're not. The value area here. Yeah, we'll take 75. Minus fees. A lot of sellers right here. But I do think we retest this level. It's weird. Being a little conservative here. we'll lock in 30. And comes back there. Re-enter. Come all the way up here. Oop, that was a mistake. It's okay, we're just gonna take an extra point or two of heat. That's all. Oh man, it's slow. Thinking maybe I'll take a nap and wake up for the later session today. We just had a pop here. One tick, little pop pop. Okay, it's got some aggressive buyers stepping in. Some aggressive selling as well. It's like buyers have a little bit more strength at the moment, but not able to push price up just yet. like selling's exhausted. Buying too. It's just ranging. Got me to make some tea, mate. Painful. Very painful. There's literally no interest, aggressive interest up here. Gotta test out this shortcut button here, see if it works. Gonna get out of this trade. Good time to test the button. One more tick. One more tick. One more tick. One more tick. Okay, 2 more ticks. Okay, those buttons aren't working. Painful. I mean, look at this. Really, look at this. Absolutely painful. Painful. Excuse me. All right, looks like we've taken a couple losers there in a row. Yeah, 24, 17, 4, and 2. Yeah. This thing. That shit off. We've been in this channel for fucking all week since the weekend. Alright. So been in this channel since the weekend. Oh god, come on, one tick. You know you want to just go right here and you want to take out this liquidity right here. You just want to. Okay, you want to take out this liquidity. Just get me out. Get me out. I'm gonna call it a day after this. This is just, it's not trading. Whack this $10. $5. Just get me out. Alright, just get me out. I don't care. I'm done. Done with that fucking price action. Alright, well. I'm done trading. Because there's nothing to see. Good luck, y'all. Hopefully New York has a little better price action than today as far as structure. Good luck trading tomorrow.